make a driving or flight cockpit in an afternoon for less than $100.
So I found out what the proper wheel height should be, which is 26 to 30 inches, and then bought a box according to that size.
The cool thing is there are pre-built boxes built out of plywood, heavy duty, for the CrossFit community. So I found this one. It's called Garage Fit, but there's a whole bunch of them out there. I don't think this one's available anymore, but it's 20 by 24 by 18. So I use the 24 height for the sides. I think it's labeled over here. Yeah, 24 inches. And then I bring it up to about 26 and a half. So each of these boxes comes with all the sides, and then it's also got a kind of cross beams for the inside for extra stability, because the CrossFit people use these boxes to jump on. Everything else is kind of out of the box build, and then this is just the only customization. So I mounted those cross beams to the top, and that gave me an extra couple inches, and I took the very front of the box and I put it on the top and screwed it down and put me right at 30 inches. So if you want to skip the mounting of the innards to the top and then just mount the front of the box flush, then you'll still be in good shape. So you can use it like this with a single screen, or if you got a little carried away,
then you can also use it for multiple screens. I keep mine kind of hidden away, and then I just pull it out when I need it, and then I hide it back away.
The cool thing about this too is it's great for storage. So I've got all kinds of things in here. Flight pedals, flight controller, VR system. I mounted another joystick there, another joystick in the back, a little single-hand keyboard thing. Yeah.
I did later add that little shim at the front, at the bottom, that to act as a lip to keep the items from falling out when I stuff them in there.
But you know, ideally, probably don't use a rolling chair like I've got here. Something a little more stable. And that's it.
Hopefully it helped you out. If it did, leave a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. Take care. I'm out.